Hi, my name is Nathan Bassett. I'm the owner of Rod's Tire and Auto. Today, I'm bringing you our first video in our Car Care for Beginners series. In this video, we will be talking about checking our fluids. Let's start from the beginning. The hood release lever is located on the driver's side. Let's start with washer fluid. The washer fluid reservoir is located in the front of the engine compartment. You can locate the washer fluid reservoir with this cap. This one looks a little low. Let's top it off. Next, let's check the engine oil. But before we get started, make sure your vehicle is on level ground and the engine is cool.
Locate your engine oil dipstick, remove it from the oil tube, wipe it down with a clean rag or napkin, and reinsert into the engine oil dipstick tube. Now remove the dipstick again and find your minimum and maximum fill lines. It should always be right near the top of the maximum fill line. But remember, too much or too little oil can damage your engine, but thankfully this one looks just right. If you do need to add engine oil, just locate your engine oil filler cap and make sure you use a funnel every time, because you can make a heck of a mess if you don't. Just check the top of the cap for the oil viscosity. If it's not printed there, check in your owner's manual and you should be able to find it there. Most gas engines take either 5W20 or 5W30 oil. Check in your owner's manual or on your cap and it should say there which one you need. But if you still can't find it and have a question, just give us a call. Okay, let's move on to the brake fluid. The brake fluid should always be between the minimum and maximum fill line. You can find the brake fluid reservoir on the back left corner of your engine compartment. If the brake fluid is low, you really should give us a call and have us take a look at it because it may indicate a problem. But if you do have to add fluid, check the cap for the proper type of fluid or check your owner's manual. If you still aren't sure, give us a call. Let's move on to your engine coolant. The engine coolant should always be between the minimum and maximum fill lines. The location of your engine coolant reservoir may vary depending on your vehicle's make and model. On this vehicle, it is located on the back left corner. Remember, before you open the engine coolant cap, to make sure the engine is cool because it could lead to serious burns.
Thank you for watching our first video in our Car Care for Beginners series. Be sure to stay tuned for our next video and like us on Facebook and visit us at rodstireandauto.com.